And we're back to learning JavaScript on Exercism. This time I'm going to solve this exercise difference of squares. We have two formulas, or we need two formulas to calculate these two sums. We have a square of sum and a sum of squares, and we want to have the difference. The coding part is not that hard, but you have to do a little bit of research to find these math formulas. For example, go to QMath right here. Let me check, I believe, what is it? Right here. There's the first formula that we need. Well, let me show you how it's done. At first we use the constructor, and a number is given. For example, square of sum 5 or square of sum 100 and so forth, so we always get a number. You can also call that x or n or whatever you want. I'm going to go descriptive here and use the term number. Sum of squares is the second one, so don't get that mixed up. Code line 11 is for our second formula, and it should be this one. I've just shown you on QMath. So let's translate that into code. We'll return this dot number, and this is going to be our n. And we can basically keep the rest, so you can just replace n with this dot number, and then you have this coding problem solved. So we need times another parenthesis, this dot number plus 1, and then we need to multiply it with 2 times this dot number plus 1. This would be the first formula translated into code. And we also have to divide it by 6, so don't forget that. But now we have our formula here. Second one is the square of sum, and in the instructions that's the first formula. So 1 plus 2 plus whatever, and then we use a square. And this would be this dot number divided by 2 times this dot number plus 1. And then here we need to exponentiate it by 2. So the formula, if you couldn't find it online, would be like this. So this double star icon, this is the way you write exponentiate in JavaScript if you haven't seen it yet. So we need n divided by 2 times parenthesis n plus 1, and everything is exponentiated by 2. And this was the first one, the square of the sum right here in the instructions. Now we've got our two formulas written in code. And we can check the final get difference. And this one's easy. We'll return this dot, and we need the bigger one right here, which was the square of the sum, minus this dot sum of squares. Now if I run it and I haven't made any typos, I should pass all the tests. So once again, the coding part isn't hard here. You just have to do the research to find the math formulas. And if you don't want to do it, just use my instructions right here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.